Good morning and Happy New Year, guys. Today I'm going to be building a porch swing for my wife. It's a Christmas present. She asked for one. One we had a couple years ago broke and we just haven't replaced it. So let's get this thing unboxed, see what we have. Hopefully there's no issues because I've had it for a few weeks and I never checked it, so I probably can't even return it. But we'll see. Get the box open. There we go. Look at that. Nice pretty wood swing. Let's get all this packaging out of the way. I'll move us a little closer so you can see. There we go. All right. Got some hardware. Instructions. And let's take these pieces out carefully. Don't want to damage anything. Okay. There we go. I'll say carefully as I get it stuck. Let's walk around. There we go. This looks like the back side. All right, what we have here. Let's start taking out foam. Okay. That's the bench. This is heavy, feels like more hardware. Put this down over here. Some slats. Okay, it looks like we just left with this piece right here. There's the middle. It actually changes from a bench to a cup holder. Pretty sweet. All right, let's get this out. Okay, give me just a second. I'm gonna move all this trash out of the way and we will start building it. All right, got all that stuff set aside. So what I'm gonna do now is use this hardware here, all these bolts, and we're gonna be attaching these rails to the side of the bench. There's 4 of them. Got one here, one there, one there. So we're gonna get this hardware out with the washers and the nuts and assemble that. All right, well, Rachel's excited about her new toy, so she decided to come out here and help me. So I've got the hardware all set aside right there, and now we are going to put the rails on the side. All right, we got the uprights installed, and so now the next step is to install the armrests that go on the sides here. So we'll put those in, and they are held in with some screws. I'll show you what the screws look like. So here's these screws, just gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver to screw it through here, and it's gonna go through the uprights there. Okay. All right, let's get these screws in here. Just using my drill to make it a little faster, so I don't have to do 8 of these by hand. Yeah, just move around and get all these done. All right, so what we're gonna do now is attach the back to the bench, and we're just gonna use the same bolts we used for the side over here. They go, there's one here, one here, one here, one there. And then we will have another bolt that goes along the side. I'm sorry, actually this is gonna be for the chain. So let's get this going. All right, I have the back and then there's the bench. So we're just gonna attach those. There's a bolt that goes through each of these 4 boards right there. All right, here's a view of installing these bolts on the back side of the bench here. There's holes drilled in through the side. So I'm just putting the bolt through with a washer and a nut right here. So I have 4 of those. The next step is to take these long eye bolts here and put it through the hole right there. And then the shorter ones are gonna go through the bottom right there. And that is what the chains are gonna attach to so they can hang from the ceiling or whatever it is that you're hanging it from. All right, this step says to use the long eye bolt with a washer, and then when it goes through, you're gonna use a washer and a nut And then you're gonna hang the clip from it, this locking carabiner. So we can get this lined up here. It's right there. And there we go. It's actually wanting to screw through, so push through. Almost there. Okay, it's on the other side now. I'll go a little bit further so I can get the washer and the nut on there. It's a locking nut too, with the nylon in it. Perfect. We'll do the other side. So we have the same process for the bottom right there. We're gonna use this with a washer, then attach it to the washer and the nut on the other side. All right, well, we got everything assembled. So now what I'm gonna do is just go around to all the bolts and nuts and make sure that they're all tight. I leave things a little bit loose when I'm assembling it, just so I have a little bit of wiggle room to get things in case there's any adjustment that needs to be made. So I'm just gonna use the Allen wrench they supplied and this little wrench. No need for me to dig through my tools if they already provided what I need. So let's just get these all tight. All right, so this one's kind of hard to do with my hand, so I'm using a screwdriver to go through the eyelet for a little bit of leverage. Just makes it easier to spin. And there we go. All right, all the bolts are tight. I've got the chains now, and so I have pre-existing hangers out on our patio from where our old swing was, so I'm gonna attach to that. But real quick, I'll show you where to attach these chains. So I'll zoom in a little bit. You see those locking carabiners right here, and you're just gonna take the chain and go through that. You can adjust it as you want for specific heights. Well, Rachel and I just opened up the shop so we could take the bench around, and all of our animals are out there talking to us, telling us it's time to feed them. You can hear them. I hear Tex crying out there. We'll come feed you in just a second. I gotta hurry up and catch up with my wife because she's taking off. Here, we'll go real quick. I'll show you how they're attached. You see the locking carabiner just goes through the chain right there. And I will be attaching to my patio here. You can see the hooks up there. So pretty easy to just stick that through the chain. As you can see, Rachel's pretty pleased with her new toy. So make sure that when you're installing the chains, you go through this hole in the armrest. Otherwise it's gonna be rubbing along the side and it'll scrape it all up. So just take your time adjusting it. Rachel decided she didn't want to really be able to touch the ground when she was sitting there, but when she went back, she could push herself. So I think we have a good height, and we're pretty excited to enjoy this new swing. You guys have a good one.